the video as well, so you can check them out. I did a lot of tutorials for that box as well, and I'm always using is the nail art from a subscription box. So I'm go ahead and seals and seals around the beads, but do not using it on the crystal because you don't want to flood your crystal. You are going to do it seals on the top of the like leaves, I mean the metal pieces, which is in this one is a leaf. And you can check, I feel scratchy right here. You're going to squeeze it out just a little bit every time. You're just using just that much. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. And then keep in mind, you can always go back and seal it again if you feel like it's still catching on your hair or your clothes. Feel it again, but make sure give it like a 10 to 15 second flash cure first, so then that the first layer of the precision glue gel get to set before you squeeze more precision glue gels. Okay, so flash cure quick and do the rest of them. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. I see all the beautiful new faces. Thanks so much for either stopping by and or swing by, or for all of you who is always tuning in. Thank you for the amazing love and support. I'm gonna go ahead and using the precision glue gels needle, and I'm gonna seal it on the top of the beads and the around the beads. I mean top the beads around the crystals. You don't want to do it on the top of the crystal because you don't want it to be don't want it to destroy the sparkle, the cut and the size. So I'm going to all the edges of the flowers or the crystal. If you still feel scratchy and missing, you are going to squeeze just a little bit in. Little go a long way. You don't want to be too flooded the crystal. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. Seal the crystal first, and then again fill the beads and seals around the crystal and fill on the top of the beads and the frame. You want to make sure that it's not only protected, also it's prevent from getting tarnished, because we wash our hands a lot of hand sanitizing, a lot of cleaning. It will really like make the beads tarnish faster than usual. So I'm going to seal on the top of the beads and check around and the edges of the crystal and make sure that is can you wipe this one? Is sealed. And then if you need it more, you can definitely cure it first and then add another layer of the precision glue gel. I did this one already. Turn the other way for me. I'm gonna using a twin tip brush. I'm gonna show you some quick tips and trick. If you feel like you are overfilled, do not worry. Using the other end of a twin tip brush, which is the precise, end and the detail brush, and just give it a little bit swipe, blend it. Okay. Sorry. And that's it. Just make sure you go blend it so then when after you cure, it doesn't look lumpy. All right, so let's cure this beauties for 60-second full cure.